Good people, what's up? Let's go. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. It's a beautiful day. I'm on this little stroll. Shout out to the neighborhood. Hey, I've been thinking. So every Tuesday I meet with, we call it our dream team. And we we share out what we've been doing last week, what we accomplished, any challenges, struggles, setbacks we had, we put it on the table, and then everybody just starts assisting with solving the problem, right? Then we share out what we're looking to do, and if we need any help connecting with anyone, getting a project done, we figure out how to get that done for each other. And one of the things we talked about was kind of like, when do you let your dream, no, what do we say? Can you change your dream? That's what it was. Can you change your dream? Like if you're having a dream and it's not coming to life how you envision it, is it okay to change up? Absolutely. I think absolutely. You can pivot. One thing I said as I was sharing out with the group was, don't let the dream kill you. Don't let your dream kill you. What does that mean? Sometimes, you go all in on this dream. You may sell the house. You may take out a second, third mortgage. You may deplete your savings, your 401k, all to fund this dream. But despite all that effort, financial commitment, time commitment, you're not getting the results that would equate to what you've put in. So your ROI, return on investment, is not healthy. It's not looking good. What do? Well, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but I think there has to come a point where you say, you know what, self, we got to pivot or shut it down. Now, remember, shutting it down isn't a bad thing. I started a hair company many moons ago. I don't got no hair, but I can sell some Brazilian, that kinky curly. Ooh, woo, woo. Listen, Peruvian. But anyway, had that going for about 3-4 years, and then decided, damn, this is killing us. Shut it down. Now, I didn't think it was a loss. Yeah, we lost money. Yeah, we lost time I can't get back. But the lessons learned, like now I know I go start a hair company now and probably crush it for sure, because I'm not going to do $5,000, or was it $3,000 or $5,000 in hair in the basement with no sales, no pre-orders. That's not going to happen. I'm not going to have a voice, a trusted voice in the hair space to vouch for my products. It's not going to happen. I'm going to do things so different, but I wouldn't know that unless I went through the storm. Hello. And then now, after that business shut down, I started another one. And now I take the skills, the lessons that I learned from the hair business, and I apply it to the new business. Boom. That's the source. So, don't let the dream kill you. It's all right to pivot. And it's all right to shut it down. Take some time, take a step back, take a beat, and then bounce back. Do remember, good people, it's all about you. Yeah.